So I got my sky fireworks. I got this
Sky fire.
So I got this one, which is a star one, and I got this two of
Go on then, let's set them off and see what they look like.
four.
Whoa. Which one should we use, Annie? Put a bigger one inside the bird of paradise plant.
This one.
That's a shot tube. We don't want a shot tube. We do a big fountain. Solar power. What's that? Multi-effect fountain.
How about this? How about this?
What's that? Did you light it there?
What is it?
What is it? Is it a shot tube? Fountain Cat F2. Alright, we're going to use this one now.
Yay!
Our next Sky firework would be Firelights.
Firelight. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. That's quite... Do you want to light it or do you want me to light it?
No.
You? Yeah, you're 18. Yeah. Alright, then you can light it. That's going to be the next firework. Firelight. And where should we put it? So we put in the bird of paradise plant. See what happens to the bird of paradise plant. So I'm going to put this firework now into the bird of paradise plant and see what happens. Eh? Yeah.
Why are you wearing a mask?
CD.
No, that's
Whoa, let's see what it looks like. Eliza, where are you standing? Why did it run off? Whoa! That is a banana plant on fire!
Oh my God!
That's quick. Do you want to do another one? Huh?
Take it out.
That was our Squid Game fireworks. Do you want to do another one? Yeah. Annie? Right then. So you can do another one. She enjoyed that. Right then. Pumpkin firework.
Is it finished?
Yeah, did you watch it? Why did you run so far away? That was the FUJI firework from Squid Games production. Was that awesome?
Yay!
I'm on my day off. This is what Squid Game do on their day off. Still keep the mask on though.
That was a FUJI firework.
Yes, it's a fountain, most of fountains.